Hey gadget fans, it's that time of the year again where we bring you some silly gadgets to get you through Valentine's Day. Number 1, Gatebox. For number 1, we'll bring you a high-tech solution for being single. And of course, it's from Japan. It's hard to say what it is, so we'll just have to show you. It's a smart home console that comes with a holographic image of a girl.
You're cute.
Along with regular smart home functions, she can also wake you up, text you when you're away, and interact with you when you're watching TV. Number 2, Vector. If you're sick of being alone, Vector is a pet without all the headache that comes with living with a real animal. It's a playful robot that can play blackjack and take photos with you. If you connect Vector with an Amazon Alexa, it can also function as a smart home assistant. For $250, it's a pretty good deal compared to Sony's iPhone. Number 3, Man on the Curtain. Now, I know what you're thinking, but this Japanese invention is the opposite of the Stephen King novel by the same name. The Man on the Curtain is a projector and curtain setup to deter burglars who target women living alone in Japan. It's offered in a Japanese complex where tenants can choose between 12 different options, ranging from a person shadowboxing to a person reading their newspaper. If you can't afford ADT, you might want to add this to your home protection arsenal. Number 4, GoPro Army. If you want that classic follow me shot without another person, or you're just trying to stop your parents from relentlessly questioning your perpetual single status, then this is the gadget for you.
Excellent.
You only need $60 at GoPro and you're set. Number 5, the Love Sync. Now we've seen a lot of weird products on Kickstarter, but this is on a different level of strangeness. We're not really sure how to describe it, so we'll let the inventor of the product explain it for you.
LoveSync is a device that lets you know when both of you are in the mood for some hippity-dippity. I've been shut down before. It's kind of embarrassing.
All you have to do is place a button at each of your bedsides, and when you're feeling a little randy, you just anonymously push the button. There's no risk of rejection. But if your partner's also ready for a pants-off dance-off, they'll press their button.
For $44, you can bring this into your bedroom. Thanks for watching this edition of GI Gadgets. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit the like button and subscribe for more Gadget Top 5.